Welcome back to our channel, your one-stop shop for making your home smarter and your life easier. Today, we're diving into something we all wish we had more of: free time. And what's better than letting a robot do the cleaning while you relax? That's right. I've rounded up the top 5 best robot vacuum and mop combos of 2025, and whether you're a pet parent, a neat freak, or just someone tired of sweeping every single day, there's something here for you. And of course, I've got links down below in the description for you to grab yours today. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing tech videos. Kicking off the list at number 5, the Ecovacs Deebot X8 Pro Omni. This little powerhouse is your go-to for advanced mopping and edge-to-edge cleaning. It's got dual spinning mops and AI-powered obstacle detection, so it glides around cords and pet bowls like a pro. Think of it as the butler you never knew you needed. Say goodbye to the days of endless sweeping and mopping. The Ecovacs Deebot X8 Pro Omni is here to completely transform the way you clean your home. Packed with next-generation features and an elegant design, this robot vacuum and mop combo is built to handle real-life messes with ease, no matter the floor type or foot traffic. What makes the Deebot X8 Pro Omni stand out? Let's start with its dual spinning mops and powerful suction system. This dynamic duo ensures a deep, effective clean, lifting stubborn dust, dirt, and spills from every corner of your home. From hardwood to tile, even pet hair on carpets, nothing stand a chance. Edge-to-edge cleaning? You've got it. With precision navigation and advanced obstacle detection, the X8 Pro Omni hugs walls, glides under furniture, and dodges everyday obstacles like toys, cords, and even pet bowls. It knows exactly where it's going, and it doesn't miss a spot. The real showstopper? Its fully automatic cleaning station. This smart base empties the dust bin, washes the mop pads, and even dries them to prevent odor buildup. All you do is press start, and the X8 Pro Omni does the rest, completely hands-free for weeks at a time. Need custom cleaning schedules or room-specific targeting? No problem. The user-friendly app lets you take control from anywhere, whether you're at work, on vacation, or just relaxing on the couch. Sleek, smart, and built for modern living, the Ecovacs Deebot X8 Pro Omni isn't just a cleaning tool, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Perfect for busy families, pet owners, or anyone ready to reclaim their time and enjoy a consistently spotless home. Coming in hot at number 4, the Dreame L10s Ultra Gen 2. This one hits the sweet spot between price and performance. It features auto mop washing, auto drying, and smart navigation, all in a sleek design that looks as good as it cleans. Total bang for your buck. If you're looking for a vacuum and mop combo that delivers high performance without the high price tag, meet the Dreame L10s Ultra Gen 2. The perfect balance of advanced features, powerful cleaning, and total convenience. This sleek and reliable cleaning companion is built to handle everyday messes with ease. Whether you've got hardwood, tile, or carpeted floors, the L10s Ultra Gen 2 adapts effortlessly, thanks to its powerful suction system and auto-lifting mop. It vacuums and mops in a single pass, scrubbing away dirt, dust, and grime for a fresh, polished finish. What really sets the L10s Ultra Gen 2 apart is its fully automated base station. This smart dock doesn't just charge the device, it also empties the dust bin, cleans and dries the mop pads, and refills the water tank. That means weeks of cleaning with almost zero effort from you. It also features intelligent 3D mapping and navigation, allowing it to smoothly glide through your home while avoiding furniture, cords, and random clutter on the floor. Set specific rooms or zones to clean, schedule sessions, or monitor progress, all from an easy-to-use app on your phone. Need to clean while you're at work or out running errands? No problem. You can start, stop, or adjust cleaning settings remotely. It even supports voice control with popular smart home systems, making it one of the most flexible options in its class. Sleek in design and quiet in operation, the Dreame L10s Ultra Gen 2 looks great in any home and works silently in the background, giving you more time to relax, play, or get things done without worrying about dirty floors. And number 3, say hello to the iRobot Roomba Combo 10 Max. This one means business. With incredible suction power and smart mapping, it knows exactly where to clean and how to do it efficiently. Plus, it's built by the folks who basically invented the robot vacuum. So, yeah, it's a classic with a major upgrade. Tired of juggling vacuuming and mopping? The iRobot Roomba Combo 10 Max is here to take both off your to-do list with style, power, and precision. Designed for homes that demand a deeper clean, this all-in-one floor cleaner delivers powerful suction and smart navigation, so every room looks freshly cleaned every time. At the heart of the Combo 10 Max is its high-performance suction system. From fine dust to pet hair and larger debris, this robot leaves nothing behind. It adapts automatically to different floor types, gliding from hardwood to carpet without missing a beat. But what really makes it a standout is the intelligent mapping technology. It learns your home's layout, creating accurate maps, so it knows exactly where it's been and where it still needs to go. No random bumping around, just smooth, purposeful cleaning with no wasted time or energy. And yes, this Roomba doesn't just vacuum. It's equipped with an integrated mopping system that handles sticky spills and light stains with ease. It knows when to mop and when not to, automatically lifting the mop when it crosses carpets, so there's no soggy mess to worry about. The Combo 10 Max is built with your routine in mind. Use the intuitive app to schedule cleanings, set custom zones, or mark off areas to avoid. You can even control it with your voice through your favorite smart home assistant. Whether you're home, at work, or on vacation, this Roomba is always ready to work for you. With its sleek design, smart features, and powerful dual cleaning system, the iRobot Roomba Combo 10 Max brings a new level of convenience and confidence to your cleaning routine. It's perfect for busy households, pet owners, and anyone who loves clean floors without the hassle. Runner-up on our list is the jaw-dropping Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra. This is the Lamborghini of robot cleaners. We're talking dual brush scrubbing, self-refilling water tanks, and even voice command features. It's luxury-level cleaning, without you lifting a finger. If you're looking for the absolute best in home cleaning technology, the Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra stands in a league of its own. This is more than just a robot vacuum and mop. It's a fully automated cleaning system designed to take care of your floors with zero compromises and almost no effort from you. Built for those who expect excellence, the S8 MaxV Ultra combines incredible suction power with dual high-speed mop pads, making it capable of handling everything from fine dust to stubborn, stuck-on grime. Whether you're dealing with muddy footprints, pet hair, or daily messes, this powerhouse delivers spotless results on any surface. Where it truly shines is in its unmatched automation. The Ultra Dock doesn't just recharge the robot, it empties the dustbin, washes and dries the mop pads, and refills the water tank. It even cleans itself. That means you can go for weeks without lifting a finger, while your floors stay cleaner than ever. The S8 MaxV Ultra also features one of the most advanced navigation systems on the market. With 3D structured light and RGB camera navigation, it can recognize and avoid objects, from small cables to pet accidents, all while building a detailed map of your home in real time. And let's not forget the smart features: app control, customizable room cleaning, multi-level mapping, and voice assistant compatibility. Want to clean the kitchen after dinner without leaving the couch? Just ask. Need to block off the kids' play area? It's a tap away. Designed with premium materials and a sleek finish, the Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra doesn't just clean, it blends into your modern lifestyle effortlessly. It's quiet, powerful, and incredibly smart. If you want the very best, the ultimate in hands-off, high-performance floor care, the Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra is your perfect match. And finally, at number 1, the Roborock Q8 Max Plus takes the crown. It's the best budget-friendly option of the year that still manages to deliver top-tier performance. You get precision mapping, strong suction, and auto-emptying, all without breaking the bank. Smart, sleek, and super capable. Looking for a smart, efficient robot vacuum and mop that won't empty your wallet? Meet the Roborock Q8 Max Plus. The perfect blend of affordability and top-tier performance. Designed for everyday cleaning, this budget-friendly powerhouse delivers features you'd expect in a high-end model, all at a price that makes sense. Let's start with the cleaning power. The Q8 Max Plus boasts strong suction and a twin roller brush system that picks up dust, pet hair, and debris with ease, even from deep within carpets. Whether you've got hardwood, tile, or rugs, it transitions seamlessly between surfaces for a thorough clean every time. On top of that, it includes a mopping function for an added layer of shine. Its intelligent water control system keeps your floors spotless without overwetting, making it ideal for everyday use, especially in busy households. One of the biggest highlights? The auto-empty dock. After each cleaning session, the Q8 Max Plus returns to its station and automatically empties the dustbin into a sealed bag, so you don't have to worry about daily emptying. You can go up to 7 weeks without touching a thing. Now that's convenience. The Q8 Max Plus also features precise LiDAR navigation, allowing it to map your home accurately, avoid obstacles, and clean in neat, efficient lines instead of random zigzags. You can customize cleaning schedules, set no-go zones, and control specific rooms, all for the easy-to-use app. Compact, quiet, and sleek, the Roborock Q8 Max Plus is built for real homes and real people. It's the ideal choice for families, pet owners, and anyone who wants smart cleaning on a smart budget. With the Roborock Q8 Max Plus, you don't have to spend a fortune to enjoy clean, comfortable living. It's reliable, efficient, and loaded with features, making it one of the best values of 2025. There you have it, the top 5 robot vacuum and mops of 2025. Whether you're upgrading your cleaning routine or buying your very first robot helper, these picks cover every need and every budget. Got a favorite? Or maybe one you're using already? Drop in the comments. I'd love to hear what's working for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest smart home reviews and tips.